Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Bob the Homestead with Sadie. So on the last video, I showed where I started some seeds. Well, I had a few people ask me, how do I get them little square blocks that were in there? So this is gonna be a quick video just showing what I do and how long it takes. So what I do, I gotta take this container right here and I go get some potting soil seed for the seeds. So what I do is I take some hot boiling water and I pour it in here. Now right now my water's heating up, so I'll have it here in a second. But the reason why I pour it in there, it mixes it up, is it kills the gnat eggs. So that we don't get no gnats from the soil being in there. So, see, get a second. Okay, so we got our water. Pour it in there. Let's mix it up. Like I said, this kills gnat eggs, so you don't have to worry about the gnats, or it kills a majority of them. So let's mix it up really good. It's a little hot, but hey, gets the job done. That's what I need. Nice and mixed up. So then we take this block. This is a block maker. And all you do, push it down in, take them. All you do is just push down, and there's 4. Put it in, packed it. Woo! Get down to the bottom of that. So, just a little quick right now, clean this up. Okay. So the whole point of this blocker is fill it up, and as you can see inside here, there's a little post right here. And what that does is once you compress it down, you can see it puts the holes in the top for you to drop a seed. And then you just put them in there. Now we don't do this on everyone because we also have single seed trays, just the little ones that you put them in there to start. And it's flourishing. They flourish in them. These work great because when you're done, you can actually, you can actually grab each square and just plant it in the ground. That way you don't have to mess up the roots or any of that. But with that being said, if you like this little quick video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.